everyone, how's it going? Jamie here with Originality.ai. Originality.ai is an online plagiarism and AI content detector. So here at Originality.ai, we just released a most recent study comparing lots of different AI content detectors, and we're really pleased to announce that the tool that we use to compare those detectors, we're going to be releasing open source. This is to make it easy for everyone else to easily compare online AI content detectors and come to their own conclusions about who is the best and which might be the best one to use for your use case. In this video, I'm going to take you from downloading the tool all the way to producing confusion matrices for some of the AI content detectors. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to the Originality AI GitHub and then head into the AI detector research tool repo. Once you're in here, we're just going to click on this code button and download zip. Once you've downloaded the zip file and unzipped it into a location of your choosing, you're going to be met with these files here. So the first thing we'll do is we're going to right click on this path here and open in terminal. So once we've opened up our terminal window, we're just going to run pip install -r requirements.txt. And that's going to install all the necessary requirements to run the script. Perfect. So once that's done, we can just run python main.py, and that's going to run the main script for the tool. So we'll be greeted with this: welcome to the API interaction program. Please check the following endpoints you wish to use. So we're going to select the Originality API. Normally we would enter the API key here. We also have the option of sapling, writer.com, and GPT-0 we're actually going to be doing as well. And once again, just enter your API key there. And then if you have separate text files, so say one for AI and one for human, you would enter that there. So we have the directory path for the AI text files and the directory path for the human text files. But instead we're going to be using a input CSV. So to grab the full path, we're just going to click on the sample CSV. We're going to copy sample CSV as path name and simply just paste it into there. And then we're going to enter the output CSV file name. So this is going to be a GPT-0 originality sample. So once we've entered the output CSV file name, just hit enter and let the tool do its work. So in this sample, I've only got 50 different rows, so it should be done relatively quickly. Please don't take this as a strong research analysis, as there is only 50 rows for each one, which isn't a very good sample for conducting any kind of research. Okay, so once that script is finished running, we're going to be asked if we would like to generate a confusion matrix. We're just going to do yes for that. And we're going to see analysis complete for GPT-0 and originality. So if we head back into our AI detector research tool, we'll see a brand new folder called output. If we double click on that, we'll see the originality and GPT-0 outputs. So we have the confusion matrix here. And then we also have GPT-0's confusion matrix here as well. Once again, please don't take this as a accurate research. This was just a sample list of 50 rows. And we'll also see the true rates in here. And we also have a originality CSV. So if we open up the originality.csv, we can see the text type here, the API name, the file name, the data set, its score, AI score and human score, and then an error message if there was one. And then if I check the GPT-0, so once we've opened that up, we can see here that they actually don't have a human score output, which is absolutely fine. And we'll notice here that this E-9 is a mathematical term for this decimal place is going to be shifted to the left 9 places. So it's just kind of a useful thing to know. Okay, and that about wraps it up for the command line research tool. If you are interested in contributing, head to the GitHub page, have a look at the README and see how to contribute. If you would like to add your own APIs into there are also instructions in the README on how to do that as well. I've been Jamie with Originality AI. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.